Two views of a lamp housing for an armoured car are shown below, together with a section of armoured plating. Draw it in the position indicated, the plan of the lamp housing, the surface development of the housing, and you ask for the true shape of the joint between the two parts. So again, what I like to do is the rebatement line. So I take the centre line up, the golden rule, whenever you get a curve, 60-30 set square, break it up into a number of parts. Now, again I'm going to number things. 1, 2, 9. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to project those lines across to where it meets the front elevation. And like before, we always label. So in this case, 9 is at the front, comma, 1's behind it. 8, comma, 2 on the top, 0.5. Likewise at the end, 5 down. So we've labelled our drawing. We're now in a position to draw the plan. And what we're going to look for is a case of drawing points. We'll start at point 1. 1 is there, and we'll just project up. Point 1. Point 1 is there. So point 1 is on that line there. There's 1 along here, along. Point 1 is there. To point 9. So on this line, all of those points are. So we'll just go for the lengths now. We'll go for the length of line 1. 1 goes from here to here. So from there to there on the straight line. So that's line 1. Line 2 is on that same line. Point 2, but this time point 2 goes to that point. So point 2 dash is there, and 2 is there. Line 3, we'll construct. That's there. So line 3 goes to there, project up, so 3 dash on line 3 is there. finish that off by a straight line there, and that 2 to 1 is a straight line as well. We've gotten about one line which is 9 dash to 1 dash, which runs along the bottom. That's hidden detail. So, and there we have the plan. And next, what we're asked for is the surface development of the housing. And we're looking here to draw that. So, surface development of that length there, and we're looking to unwrap it. So it's a bit that goes right round. So it's a bit that we're looking for. So we're looking for distances between points going round that edge there, and we'll get the sizes have to come from another view, which in this case is nice and easy. We'll get our heights from this one. So we're going to start here at point 1. We'll just extend that line up. Again, it's always compass work. Going to start at point 1, point 2. Now, this is a true distance between those points because that is a straight surface. So you're looking at that, so those are true lengths or true distances. So 1 to 2. 2 to 3. And again, one line in turn. We're going to do point 1, how long is line 1? Line 1 is from 1 to 1 dash. So 1 to 1 dash. Now we can take that length because we're looking at that end, so the true length is that distance shown. So 1 to 1 dash. We've also got a 1 up here. 2 is from 2 to 2 dash. So what we're looking at here is our shape, and then a straight line, because that's a straight line across. So we'll just draw that line in first. Remember, always draw into the curve. Start at that point, aim to that one, but looking where the point's going. There is a bend there and a bend there, so we're looking at 1 and 9 as fold lines. Long, too short, long. The one is the end one, so we don't have to worry about fold lines for that. And that is our surface development. And one more thing we've been asked for is the true shape of the joint between the two parts. So there's one part, there's the other part, so we're looking for the true shape of that surface there. It's the two bits of meat. And the golden rule, look at right angles to the surface and take your sizes from another view. In this case we can use the end elevation, or we can take them from the plan. So we're just going to project those points and we're looking at the dash lines, 1 dash, 2 dash and so on. Now that's been drawn at 60 degrees. So we're now looking at 30 for right angles. We'll project up line 1 first of all. We've been asked to draw it here with that centre line. I'll project that down a bit more so it cuts. And I want to draw line 1 to 9. And the true length of 1 to 9 is taken from 1 to 9 there. Now if you notice, it's a symmetrical shape, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend that centre line down and I'm going to take my sizes from the centre of the end elevation. I'm just going to make it easy for myself by drawing those lines in for construction. And remember, it's construction, so keep it light and leave them on. Don't rub out construction. So I'm looking from the centre to point 1. So from the centre, point 1 is there. And likewise and there is a true shape of that surface there. We have looked on it straight and we've taken our sizes from the other view, either that one or the